Imagine for a moment that the camera you've pinned all your hybrid dreams on, the one that's been your creative lifeline for years, might suddenly feel like yesterday's news. The Sony A7 IV has ruled the roost as that rare gem where still shooters and video pros could finally shake hands and say, "This is it." It felt unbreakable, a workhorse disguised as an everyday tool. But lately, Sony's gone radio silent, letting the buzz from rivals fill the air while they've been hunkered down in their labs, crafting something that doesn't tweak the A7 IV, it redefines it. Whispers from insiders, cryptic supply chain hints, and those grainy patent sketches are all converging on a seismic reveal. Not a refresh, but revolution. Enter the Sony A7V, a beast that's not just evolving the game, it's rewriting the rules. And trust me, the details trickling out aren't whispers, they're thunderclaps of innovation. If you're clutching your A7 IV right now, grab a seat, because by the time we're done here, you might just fire up eBay to see what it's fetching these days. What's got everyone on edge? Let's dive into the leaks that are flipping the script. What do you make of this? Could the A7V really dethrone your current setup, or is it all hype? Leave a comment below and let's chat about it. At the core of every great camera beats its sensor, and the A7iV's 33-megapixel powerhouse was already a masterclass in balance. Sharp details by day, magic in the shadows at night. Early buzz throughout wild guesses. 40 megapixels? 50? Would Sony muscle into the A7 our turf? Turns out, they're thinking several moves ahead, like grandmasters on a board where everyone else is playing tic-tac-toe. The most solid intel bubbling up isn't about piling on pixels. It's about making the ones we work harder and smarter. Picture this. A next-gen 33-megapixel back-illuminated sensor, version 2, refined to perfection. Yeah, same resolution on paper, but here's where it gets electric. This upgrade isn't measured in counts, but in lightning. The A7iV's Achilles heel, that pesky rolling shutter wobble in video that turned fast pans into a funhouse mirror, gets banished for good. Word is readout speeds are doubling, hitting near-stack sensor territory without the premium sticker shock. For you, the creator chasing the decisive moment, it transforms the electronic shutter from a quirky sidekick into your secret weapon. Capture a cheetah mid-sprint, a skateboarder twisting through the air, or even a rally car blurring past. No more twisted horizons or elastic props, just crisp, silent precision that feels like cheating. And for those of us who live in motion, this turbocharged foundation cracks open doors to video wizardry we only dreamed of, setting the stage for a camera that's as relentless as your vision. But a killer engine needs a genius at the wheel, and the A7V's autofocus isn't just sharper, it's alive, almost prescient. The A7iV system was a rock star, real-time tracking for eyes, animals, birds that stuck like glue through chaos. Solid? Absolutely. But the A7V? It's like upgrading from a sports car to a mind-reading fighter jet. Ditch the old Bions XR. That's so last season. The bombshell leak shaking the industry is a bespoke AI chip, the same Brainiac tech Sony unleashed in the Elite A7, RV, and A9 III, a dedicated powerhouse solely wired to decode the world in front of the lens. We're beyond basic face hunt now. This is skeletal mapping, pose prediction that reads your subject's every contour like a book. The camera doesn't just spot a dancer. It knows the art of her arm, the pivot of her hip, even as she's spinning away, back to you in a crowd. Envision a portrait session where your model shifts into profile, light catching just so. The A7 IV might hesitate. Snag on a stray leaf. The A7V? Its shadows are form. Forecasts a glance over her shoulder and snaps to the iris the instant it gleams. Flawless. Intuitive focus that turns almost into nailed it. Humans are just a start. The AI's knowledge base swells to epic proportions, eyeing insects in macro detail, discerning a locomotive's grille from its undercarriage, or locking onto a Formula One driver's visor amid the spray. This is an autofocus. It's anticipation, a silent partner that lets you chase the poetry of the shot without second-guessing the tech. It unshackles your creativity, turning every frame into pure intent. All right, stills folks, exhale for a sec. Now, video warriors, buckle up, because the A7V doesn't patch the A7iV's video quirks. It erases them from the map. We loved its hybrid heart. Sure, but that 4K 60p mode? The crop factor turned your prized wide-angle glass into a reluctant telephoto, squeezing that 24 millimeters down to a claustrophobic 36 millimeters equivalent. It stung every time. Enter the game changer that got Canon and Nikon camps fidgeting. Uncropped 4K at 60 frames, drinking in a full sensor feast, no compromises. How do they pull it off? That blazing sensor speed, beefed up brains to crunch the data deluge, and whispers of a sly heat-dissipating chassis borrowed from the A7S3 and A7RV, maybe a hair bulkier, but built to endure. Expect endless 4K 30p rolls without the dreaded thermal timeout, and at least 60 minutes of 4K 60p in real-world heat. This isn't dabbling in video anymore. It's a frontline powerhouse, your A camera for docs, shorts, or epics that demand reliability. And hold on, 4K 120p? The A7 IV tapped out, but the A7V joins the slow-mo party, likely with whisper-thin 1.1x trim like the S3, delivering buttery 10-bit 4:2:2 slow motion straight to the card. Log profiles? Elevated. But the curveball no one clocked? Internal ProRes, LT or HQ, baked right in, no external rig required. Yank the CF Express, slot it home, and boom. Footage slots seamless into Premiere or Resolve, zero wrangling proxies or conversions. It's a velvet glove jab at Blackmagic's turf, a power move on Panasonic's S5 II, declaring Sony's workflow empire open for business. One spec like that catapults the A7V from enthusiast darling to pro essential, slashing edit hours and budgets like a hot knife. Oh, and the cherry on top, cinema-grade perks cascade in. Focused breathing tamed across more glass, AI autoframing that ghosts your moves like an invisible jib-op, and active gyro stabilization dial-up, gimbal smooth with slimmer crops. This is A7S3 video soul, fused with clairvoyant smarts. So, specs sing, but how's it feel in your hands? The real test of obsession? Spoiler. The leaks paint a tactile dream with zero filler. Ditch the A7IV straightforward flip-out screen for the A7 RV's four-way marvel, a chameleon that morphs for every angle. Tilt high for overhead stills, swing side for vlog confessions, rotate vertical for TikTok lows without a prayer or a twist. It's a screen hybrid hearts have scripted fan letters for, erasing good enough forever. Peering through viewfinder? The A7IV's 3.69 million dot panel was serviceable, but the A7V leaps to 5.76 million, or dare I say, the retina-searing 9.44 million from the A1 and RV, delivering optical purity with zero ghosting, all the histogram wizardry overlaid like silk. Framing becomes meditation, not mechanics. And storage? Twin CF Express Type A bays, both screaming fast, no half measures. Just pro-grade redundancy for bursting buffers or marathon 4K 120p dumps. But every throne has its shadow. What's the trade-off? No 8K splash to steal the A1 spotlight, and that sensor's near-stacked zip-stop shy of true global shutter nirvana, leaving the A9 III's throne intact. Sony's playing it sly, handing you a Swiss Army knife for the masses while crowning their flagships untouchable. The A7V doesn't chase spec sheet supremacy. It weaves the ideal tapestry for creators like us. 99% flawless, asterisk-free. The new gold standard for getting the work done. That leaves the duo questions echoing in every gearhead's mind. When at what cost? The timeline's heating up fast. A 7.4 stock's thinning, like they're prepping for retirement, whispers to big box stores, signaling the curtain's about to rise. Eyes on Q1 2026. A splashy February unveil, shelves stocked by late March or April's bloom, syncing perfectly with your cherry blossom shoots or festival rushes. Price tag? The A7IV's $2,499 debut feels like a relic now, with its AI alchemy, sensor sorcery, screen symphony, EVF epiphany, thermal armor, and ProRes prowess demanding respect. The consensus from trusted channels lands at $2,799. A number that lands like a mic drop before the sticker shock hits. Pause. This isn't sparring with sub-$2, 500 contenders anymore. It's gunning for the Canon, R5's $3,500 throne, or the A7S3's $3,800 perch, distilling 90% of the A1 sorcery for under half the coin. At that marker, the A7V is in gear, its arsenal. Sony at its fiercest, staking claim to mid-tier mastery, pro-grade glory, and a whole damn board. So are you geared up? Does a crop-free 4K 60p light your fire? Or is the AI's unerring the hook? That four-way screen sealing the deal? Dust off the piggy bank. Scout your trade-ins. The old guard's bowing out. All hail the new reign. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.